Hello friends, this is my first tutorial video and it's about how to do cut crease with glitter liner. Firstly, we use Maybelline Fit Me concealer on my eyelid for as a base. Now I'm gonna use Huda Nude palette shade brown and light brown as a transition shade on my crease line area. Now I am blending it. Blending is very important for any eye makeup, so do it nicely and calmly. Then I am taking this peachish red color with my small blending brush with my eyelid area. Now I am blending it with my transition shade. You also could see when I use my transition color, I used my big blending brush. So always you use fluffy brushes when you're doing blending. I complete my blending. You can see I take outside the color and it's look like a wing. Then I take this flat brush with concealer in it. Now I'm making crease. I follow my crease line area. Especially beginner, don't try to go upward to downward when you're making a crease. You should try to downward to upward like this. Then you take crease outside like this. After that I am filling those areas who has left. Don't try to make perfectly in your first attempt. If you can do so, that's great. Actually it's not perfect cut crease, but it kind of. Now it's done, you can see. Then I blend this ताकि जब मैं कोई कलर लूँ तो इस पर पैचेस ना पड़े. Then I take this black gel liner on my brush. Then I make a line towards my shadow, you can see right now. Then I make another line to just join with it. You can just follow the crease line. Then उसे fill कर दे. Then you take black color on round brush. Then press it on your gel liner and blend like this. You can see now. Then blend it as well as you can see. Now I am taking this peachish red color on my front of the eye. Now I am placing it on my eyelid and blend it with my black color. Now I am taking this again. जब तक आपका ये कलर आपकी आईज पे ना आ जाए तब तक आप कलर लेते रहें. Now I am blending this. Now कलर मेरे आपको अच्छे से आ गया है. I am taking this black color on round brush. Then I dab it on it because it's turned fade, so I want it a more darker like this. You can see. Now I am blending it. Now I am taking my fluffy brush for blending these two colors. Now I am blending. Then I take this orange color with my flat brush in inner corner of my eyelid. You can see right now. Then I am merging it with my red color into. Then I sharp my edges like this. You can see. It's important. Then it's quite complete. You can see now. I am finally using my glitter liner on my empty area on crease line. You can see how I am using this. अगर ये मैस भी हो जाता है, डोंट वरी, आप ड्राई होने के बाद इसे ईयरबड की हेल्प से हटा सकते हैं. Now I am taking this on my edges. So it's my final look. Hope you guys enjoy my video and learn something new and creative. I come back with my full makeup. Like and share my video, comment in the below आपको कैसा लगा ये ज़रूर बताना. Follow and subscribe my channel too. Bye bye.